Hey, what's up the internet? Josh Wulf, legendary JavaScript developer, recruiter, and world record holder for the most Minecraft zombies killed in 10 minutes using JavaScript Lightning. It's 13,584 in case you were counting. So my hot tip for today, it's about doing work in the open and building your own personal brand and your reputation. One definition of success is to be good at what you do and for other people to know about that. When people know about the work that you do and your expertise, there are more opportunities. Opportunities come looking for you, and when you pursue opportunities, people are like, yo, I already know you, I trust you, and I value your expertise. So one of the ways that you can work in the open to create this kind of opportunity as a software developer in 2017 is using the platform called Github. It's social coding. It's basically the Facebook of coding. Now, here's one of the things that I've discovered people don't understand about how GitHub works. People are like, oh, you could just dump a whole lot of code on there. How do we know if anyone's any good? I'll tell you how we know if anyone's any good on GitHub. It's the same way that Google knows if any website is any good, right? Google doesn't need to understand the content of the website. Google analyzes the social graph. So what that is the number of incoming links, the kinds of people who comment on your code in GitHub. The more network concentration you have, the more valuable your website is, and it's the same thing with GitHub. Now, if you want to be smart about developing your reputation on GitHub, here's how I'd do it. So the first thing I would do is I would commit to GitHub every day. Just make it a habit. It's a great way for you to build your own coding ability and your reputation at the same time. It's work in the open. If you work in a company where you're contributing to private repositories, as many of us are, then what you can do is have a conversation with your employer to get that moved onto GitHub so that your private contributions show up in your contribution graph. People can look at it, they can see your work ethic. You code every day and it shows. The other thing that you can do on there on GitHub is start participating in the project around the tools and languages that you write in. If you're writing in C#, TypeScript, pretty much anything, it's all being developed on GitHub itself. Commenting on issues, finding out about upcoming features and commenting on them, and even contributing code fixes to those things, because it's not your code that counts, it's what people say about your code. If you can get a few lines of code accepted into the core React project, imagine what that does for you. Now imagine if you were deliberate about doing that. You had your employer move some or all of the repositories into GitHub so that it shows up in your contribution graph. Solid green, Monday to Friday, 7 days a week. Anders, one of the language architects of TypeScript, is like commenting on what you say, Adi Osmani's, all those big names, very famous, well-known, well-respected in the space. You can also add your name in there, and you can be interacting with them. People can see that interaction. That's how you build your reputation. To be successful means to be good at what you do. You can't take that out of the equation, and by doing something every day and ongoingly in the open, you do get better at it. And GitHub is the one place in 2017 that I would go to as a software developer to develop that.